Wow, my backyard used to be completely boring and underwhelming, but today I gave it a full makeover using only Dollar Tree DIY hacks, and I'm going to show you every single step. From planters to lighting, seating, and even a little edible garden magic. This transformation is fun, affordable, and totally doable. Stick around because by the end you'll see how a few dollars and some creativity can turn any outdoor space into a backyard oasis. Before we dive in, I want to know, where are you watching from? Drop your city in the comments because I love seeing gardens and backyards from all over. And if you enjoy simple budget-friendly gardening ideas, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell, so you never miss a hack that can completely change your space. Let's dive in. Hack number 1, DIY planter boxes. One of the easiest ways to give your backyard an instant refresh is with DIY planter boxes. And the best part is, you can make them for almost nothing using items from Dollar Tree. I grabbed some simple baskets, lined them with coconut fiber liners, and gave them a quick spray of paint to match my backyard's color scheme. These little touches instantly make even the smallest plants look polished and intentional. You can use them for flowers, herbs, or even small veggies. The key is layering the liner, basket, and soil correctly so your plants thrive. Once your planters are ready, it's time to add your plants. I chose a mix of colorful annuals and fragrant herbs, which not only brightened the space, but also added a fresh scent to the patio area. Placing these planters strategically around the backyard, near seating areas and along pathways, instantly creates a sense of structure and style without spending a fortune. This simple hack proves that a few small containers and some creativity can make a huge impact on the overall look and feel of your outdoor space. Hack number 2, DIY outdoor lanterns. Lighting can completely change the vibe of your backyard. And for this hack, I used Dollar Tree lanterns paired with battery-operated tea lights to create a warm, inviting glow. I started by giving the lanterns a quick coat of spray paint to match my backyard's color palette. Then wrap some twine around the handles for a rustic handmade touch. You can hang them from trees, place them on tables, or even line a pathway with them. The goal is to make your backyard feel cozy and magical without spending a fortune. After setting up the lanterns, turning on the lights instantly transformed the space. The soft flicker creates a relaxing atmosphere, perfect for evening gatherings or quiet nights outside. I even added a touch of faux greenery inside a few lanterns for extra charm. This hack shows that simple, inexpensive items can elevate your backyard's aesthetic and make it feel like a designer space, all while keeping it fun and budget-friendly. Hack number 3, DIY patio rug upgrade. A patio rug can completely tie your backyard together, but buying one can get expensive fast. For this hack, I used Dollar Tree placemats and created a larger custom outdoor rug by arranging them in a repeating pattern. I reinforced them with outdoor-friendly glue and added a coat of weatherproof spray to make sure it lasts through sun and rain. By choosing colors and patterns that match the rest of my backyard decor, the rug instantly brought a sense of cohesion and style to the patio area. Once the rug was in place, it completely changed the vibe of the seating area. Suddenly the space felt more inviting, polished, and ready for gatherings. What I love about this hack is that it's highly customizable. You can mix and match colors, shapes, or even add stencils for a unique pattern. It's proof that with a little creativity and some inexpensive supplies, you can turn basic, everyday items into functional and beautiful outdoor decor. Hack number 4, DIY garden tool holder. Keeping your garden organized doesn't have to mean spending a lot on fancy storage solutions. For this hack, I used Dollar Tree hooks, small crates, and wooden dowels to create a simple but effective garden tool holder. Mounting it on a fence or wall, I was able to neatly hang trowels, gloves, and even small watering cans, making everything easy to access while keeping the space tidy. This setup not only helps with organization but also turns a plain wall into a functional feature of the backyard. Once the holder was up, it completely changed how I used the garden. No more digging through piles of tools or tripping over scattered equipment. Everything has its place. I also added a few decorative touches, like small potted plants and painted labels, to make it look intentional rather than purely functional. This hack is a perfect example of combining practicality with style, showing that even the simplest DIY solutions can make a huge difference in your backyard's look and usability. Hack number 5. DIY string light poles. String lights instantly add magic to any backyard, but sometimes you don't have trees or structures in the right spots. For this hack, I used PVC piping, twine and Dollar Tree string lights to make my own freestanding light poles. I painted the pipes to match my backyard decor, and anchored them securely in planters filled with sand and stones, creating stable poles that could hold the lights without tipping over. This simple setup gave me the flexibility to hang lights exactly where I wanted, transforming my backyard into a warm, glowing space perfect for evenings. Once the lights were up, the backyard felt completely different, cozy, inviting, and ready for gatherings or quiet nights outdoors. I even experimented with draping the lights in different patterns, like zigzags across the patio and soft arcs over the seating area, which made the space feel more dynamic. This hack shows that with a few inexpensive materials and a little creativity, you can get professional-looking lighting without spending a fortune or needing permanent structures. Hack number 6. DIY garden signage. Adding personal touches to your backyard instantly makes it feel like a space you designed. And for this hack, I created custom garden signs using Dollar Tree supplies. I started with plain wooden sticks and small craft boards, which I painted in vibrant colors that popped against the greenery. Using Dollar Tree alphabet stickers and a bit of hand-painted detailing, I made whimsical signs with messages like "Relax here," "Fresh flowers," and "Garden therapy." The beauty of this hack is how versatile it is. You can create as many signs as you want, change them seasonally, or even make them signs for parties or holidays. It's a small addition that adds personality and charm without any big expense. Once the signs were finished, placing them around the backyard immediately brought the space to life. I tucked some into planter boxes, mounted a few on the fence, and even added one by the seating area for a playful touch. The signs not only serve as decorative accents, but also guide the eye and create a sense of intentional design, making even a modest backyard feel curated and thoughtfully planned. This hack proves that a little creativity, combined with inexpensive materials, can elevate the atmosphere of your outdoor space in ways that are both functional and visually appealing. Plus, seeing these little messages scattered throughout the backyard creates a fun, inviting vibe that friends and family instantly notice and appreciate. Hack number 7. DIY modular seating cushions. Comfortable seating is essential for making a backyard feel welcoming, but high-quality outdoor cushions can get pricey. For this hack, I used Dollar Tree foam pads and inexpensive fabric scraps to create modular cushions that fit perfectly on benches, chairs, or even crates turned into seating. I cut the foam to size, wrapped it in fabric, and secured it with a combination of sewing and hot glue, giving each cushion a polished, durable finish. The best part: you can mix and match colors, patterns and textures to fit your backyard style, creating a custom cozy seating area without breaking the bank. After arranging the cushions on the patio benches and around a small DIY coffee table, the seating area instantly felt more inviting. Friends and family could lounge comfortably while enjoying the garden, and the vibrant colors added a cheerful touch that tied the whole space together. I also experimented with layering cushions for extra comfort, and using smaller ones as floor seating for casual gatherings. This hack proves that you don't need expensive furniture to create a cozy, stylish backyard. With a little creativity, some foam and fabric, you can make seating that looks intentional, feels great, and adds another layer of charm to your outdoor makeover. Hack number 8. DIY vertical herb garden. Maximizing space while adding greenery is a win-win for any backyard. And for this hack, I created a vertical herb garden using Dollar Tree baskets and a simple pallet structure. I attached the baskets to the pallet with zip ties, then filled each one with potting soil and a mix of herbs like basil, parsley, and thyme. This setup allowed me to grow a small edible garden even in a tight space, while also adding visual interest with cascading greenery. By placing it against a fence or wall, I was able to transform an otherwise blank area into a functional, beautiful focal point. Once the herbs were planted and thriving, the backyard felt more vibrant and alive. I could reach over to snip fresh herbs for cooking, which made the garden not just decorative but practically useful as well. The varying heights and textures of the herbs added depth and dimension, while the vertical layout kept the space open and uncluttered. This hack shows that with a few inexpensive materials and clever design, you can create a living wall that's both stunning and functional, proving that even a small backyard can be full of life, color, and practicality. Hack number 9. DIY bird feeder station. Adding wildlife to your backyard not only livens up the space but also creates a peaceful natural atmosphere. For this hack I built a simple bird feeder station using Dollar Tree dishes, twine and small hooks. I tied the dishes securely with twine, hung them from a tree branch and a pergola, and filled them with bird seed. Within minutes, birds started visiting, bringing life, movement, and a soothing soundtrack to the backyard. It's a simple hack that adds both charm and entertainment, and it's completely budget-friendly. Once the feeders were up, the backyard felt more dynamic and inviting. I experimented with hanging them at different heights to attract a variety of birds, and even added small decorative accents like faux flowers and painted sticks to match the garden's aesthetic. This hack shows that you don't need elaborate or expensive equipment to bring nature closer to home. A few thoughtful DIY touches can create a lively, interactive environment that's fun for both adults and kids. Watching the birds enjoy the space also adds a sense of satisfaction, making all the effort of the backyard makeover feel even more rewarding. Hack number 10. DIY outdoor coffee table. A functional centerpiece can tie any backyard together, and for this final hack, I created a DIY outdoor coffee table, using Dollar Tree plastic crates, a wooden board, and a bit of paint. I stacked the crates to form a sturdy base, placed the painted board on top, and secured it so it wouldn't shift. This simple structure gave me a stylish, practical table, perfect for holding drinks, snacks, or small decor items. By painting the table to match my backyard's color scheme, and adding a few decorative touches, it instantly felt like a professional setup, all while costing a fraction of what a store-bought table would. Once the table was in place, the backyard seating area felt complete. I added potted plants, a small lantern, and a few coasters, and suddenly the patio was ready for friends, family, or quiet mornings with coffee. This hack proves that even the largest, most functional pieces in your backyard can be created on a budget, combining creativity, inexpensive materials, and a little DIY know-how. It's the perfect finishing touch to a full backyard makeover, showing that you can achieve a cohesive, beautiful outdoor space entirely with Dollar Tree hacks. And there you have it, a complete backyard makeover using just Dollar Tree DIY hacks. From planter boxes and cozy seating to string lights, vertical herb gardens, and even a functional coffee table, every hack proves that you don't need a big budget to create a stunning outdoor space. Seeing the backyard transformed from plain and uninviting into a warm, stylish, and functional oasis has been so rewarding, and I hope it inspires you to try a few of these hacks in your own space. Which hack was your favorite? Drop it in the comments. I love hearing what inspires you the most. And if you enjoyed this full backyard transformation, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a new Dollar Tree DIY or gardening hack. Share this video with friends who love budget-friendly backyard makeovers, and let's keep turning ordinary spaces into extraordinary ones, one hack at a time.